If you don't know this, you may stay broke forever. And the truth is, most people never learn this rule about money. Not in school, not from society, and sometimes not even from their parents. But once you understand it, your financial life can completely change. The biggest lie about money. Most people believe this lie. Work hard and money will come. But look around. Millions of people work hard every day, yet they are still struggling financially. Why? Because working hard is not the same as building wealth. Hard work earns income, but wealth comes from strategy. And this leads to the first lesson. Lesson 1. Income alone will not make you rich. If income alone made people rich, every high-salary worker would be wealthy. But many people earning a lot of money are still broke. Why? Because money follows a simple formula. Income minus spending equals wealth. The problem is not always how much people earn. The problem is how money is managed. Many people think earning more money will solve their financial problems. But earning more does not automatically create wealth. Money without control disappears quickly. A person can earn a high income and still struggle if there is no discipline in how the money is used. That is why financial awareness matters. Every dollar should have a purpose, some for your needs, some for your future, and some for enjoyment. Because when money has no direction, it slowly slips away. Small choices add up. Unplanned spending, impulse purchases, things that seem small in the moment, but over time they can drain a lot of money. Wealth is not only about how much you earn, it is about how wisely you manage your money. Lesson 2. Build a saving system. Most people try to save money only when they feel like it, and that rarely works. One unexpected expense appears, and the savings plan disappears. Wealthy people use a different approach. They create a system. A fixed percentage of their income is automatically saved every single month. This could be 5%, 10%, or even more over time. The key is consistency. Saving is not about waiting for extra money. It is about creating a habit that happens no matter what. Small amounts saved consistently can grow into something powerful over time. Lesson 3. Increase your value. One of the fastest ways to improve your financial life is to increase the value you offer. Your income often reflects the value of your skills in the marketplace. People who earn more usually do one thing differently. They invest in themselves. They learn new skills. They improve their knowledge. They become better at solving problems. Examples include learning digital skills, improving communication, studying business or investing, building useful online skills. The more value you bring to the market, the more opportunities you attract. If you want to earn more, focus on becoming more valuable. Lesson 4. Financial knowledge is power. Money loves knowledge. The more you understand investing, saving, business, financial systems, the better your financial decisions become. And this knowledge compounds, just like money compounds. That is why learning about money may be the most profitable investment you ever make. If you want to avoid staying broke forever, control your spending, build a saving system, increase your value and skills, and never stop learning about finances. Because once you understand these rules, money stops being a struggle and starts becoming a tool. If this opened your mind about money, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because one financial lesson can change someone's entire future. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more money and wealth lessons.